morning, Brazil. My name is George Guerra. I am the Vice President of Florida Realtors. Ladies and gentlemen, we did not come alone. We came here with over 40 practitioners from Florida Realtors, and we came here to educate. We have over 25 sessions where we're going to teach you guys how to do business in Florida. So do yourself a favor, find out what's going on in Florida, check out our booth, and I look forward to seeing you all there. Thank you.
Thank you, George.
We're here in Simi 360 here in Brazil. We're here representing over 230,000 realtors. We have 8 different districts over here. We're doing over 25 different classes, teaching people here in Brazil how to go to Florida, how to buy real estate, how to invest, the reasons why. If you haven't attended Simi 360 or if you're interested in getting more involved, I recommend you reach out and find out why. When we look at the statistics, you can see here that Brazil is our number 3 partner. The beauty about South Florida is not only can you go and live there, but think that you can also grow your wealth there. When it comes to real estate, you can see here that we've historically had incredible appreciation. Miami, obviously, without a doubt, if you can tell by my smile, is the happiest city in the world. I've been doing business in South Florida for over 20 years. I love to tell people that I was born in the boom, I was raised in the crash, and I was thriving in the pandemic. So think that I've seen many cycles, many waves. So if you guys have any questions on any part of real estate in South Florida, residential, commercial,